Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. Right now you're taking a look at a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds up in the sky in Wairika. This view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. We're right at a very nice 69 degrees this midday, and most of us are seeing temperatures that are right around room temperature. It feels very nice in the direct sunshine. A little bit cooler though along the coast where the marine layer is keeping us so cool. Air quality is just being moderately reduced right now in portions of Siskiyou County because we do have just some very light smoke that's being pumped out from western Siskiyou County, from the west side of the Happy Camp complex. So let's go ahead and show you what happens to the smoke a little bit later today. Light haze for most inland spots. Could be a little bit thicker in those areas immediately downwind of some of the fires, though, in western Siskiyou County. And then the cycle into tomorrow is looking essentially the same. Some of the thickest smoke in areas immediately downwind of the Elliott and Youfish fires, but just light haze and pretty good air quality for the rest of us. So with that in mind, here's your hiking planner for today for the Rogue Valley. Should have some pretty good unobstructed views. Could be a little bit of light haze up in the sky, but good air quality, nice temperatures, lots of sunshine. So be sure to put on the sunscreen. But back to the temperatures though, they'll be about 5 degrees below average for this time of the year, which means we'll be in the upper 70s to the east of the Cascades, low to middle 80s for our west side valleys, and middle 60s along the coast in Curry County. Winds today will gust out of the north and west along the coast, and then mainly out of the west and southwest for inland spots. And those winds could gust between 20 to 25 miles per hour. But then late this evening, the winds will calm down. Skies will continue to stay mostly clear, at least for inland spots. But along the coast, we could have some partly cloudy skies due to some marine layer impacts. Overnight lows are going to resemble what we had for this morning, so we'll be near 40 to the east of the Cascades, low to mid 50s for the most part for our west side valleys, and then low 50s along the coast in Curry County. Over the next few days, if you want to wash your car, well, the weather will cooperate, so get out there, not only wash the car, but get out there and enjoy the nicer air quality while we still have it, because we have lots of warm and lots of dry weather that's going to be in store. So that means that some of those fires in western Siskiyou County could flare up a little bit more than what they're already doing. So that means that we could see more smoke, and that means that air quality could get a little bit worse. But still, the million-dollar question is how much smoke will actually be put out by some of these fires, and so you'll just have to stay tuned for that. And not only are we concerned about the behavior of existing fires, but there still will be a very low-end threat of new fires to start, starting on Monday. So we'll keep a very close eye on all of that. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see temperatures in the mid 60s through Saturday, and then starting to get a little bit closer to 70 degrees for Sunday and Monday. For Siskiyou County, very light haze for most, except for those areas, again, immediately downwind to some of the fires in western Siskiyou County. And then for the Klamath Basin, light haze, pretty good air quality. Temperatures very consistent over the next 7 days. Look at that. They don't really alter by more than 2 or 3 degrees. And then for the Cascades, we'll be near that sunny and 75 territory for the next week. So that'll feel very nice. Again, it's going to be a great week to get up to the Cascades, get up to the Siskiyous. Views should be relatively unobstructed by haze. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll just have a slight uptick in haze for today and tomorrow, and then a slight uptick in temperatures as we head into the weekend, flirting with 90 degrees.
All right, thank you, Josh. And these temperatures are a bit below average for this time of year. How below average are we talking about compared to like last year?
Like, what was the temperature for last year?
Yeah,
I would have to go back and look, but I remember being much hotter. There were a lot more active fires in the region. Air quality was much worse, so we're definitely in a much better predicament right now as opposed to September 2022, way back yonder.
Yeah, all right. Well, people should take advantage of this time then.
Yes.
Right. All right. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.
Appreciate it.